You need to finish your innings, please. Either you make them all out or finish off your all the overs. Choice is yours, but only 30 minutes. First ball of the game. And it's a catch by Viraj and missed. So 2 runs from Rohit. पिछले मैच में बहुत अच्छा खेला रोहित ने, वही फॉर्म उन्होंने ये मैच में कंटिन्यू किया आज के पहले गेंद में. It's showing that skill. The second delivery from Ashish. And the huge hit towards the long off, and it's a 6. Good shot over the long off.
हीरोज टीम का यंगेस्ट प्लेयर
Rohit.
डेब्यूटेंट
Debutant. SPL debutant. Third delivery from Ashish to Rohit, and another full toss, and it's towards the mid wicket, short mid wicket, and a good fielding by Nitin, and it's a single. Single strike पर है Sudhir, non-strike पर है Rohit, and Ashish Kadam is the bowler. It's a fourth delivery. Fourth delivery from Ashish to Sudhir, and another foot toss and towards the mid-on, and it's a 4. Good shot from Sudhir, and it's a very juicy ball for Sudhir. It's a low full toss, and it's hit over the mid-on, and it's a 4 run. Strategy. Very good strategy. So another good shot, and it's inside edge towards the fine leg. And so good
बहुत ही
fielding by
बढ़िया
Nitin.
रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स रोहित और सुधीर की.
2 run. 15 runs so far. Last ball from Ashish Kadam. 15 runs so far. So this is a power play. Only 2 players are allowed outside the circle, Ashish. It's the last ball of the over. It's 100 and it's over the bowler, and it's a good fielding by the captain, the Kings captain, the Viraj. बहुत अच्छा फील्डिंग. नहीं. बहुत अच्छा फील्डिंग Viraj. I think it's a good feeling. I think everybody should know that how to field at the boundary when the ball comes, when the jumps. 17 runs. 17 runs, the 1 over. Yeah, second I 21. I think Sudhir ने मतलब over the bowler बहुत अच्छा shot मेरा last ball. I think the good fielding boundary पे विराज के द्वारा. I think he's setting a example for the others. It's a fielding also sometimes win the matches. The second over from Sanket Paulji to Rohit. Outside the off stamp, and it's over the cover, and it's a 4 run from Rohit. Good shot.
That's not true.
And it's a wicket caught behind. It's a good bowling, good line and length, and Rohit, it's out. It's a good comeback by Sanket. Scores in 1 over Balakrishna. Very good. Tam, Mr. Bowler. थांबो थोड़ा. कौन है अभी जो गया वो? Who is the batsman? Jatin, batsman कौन है? Ganesh. Another shot and that is a possible of another wicket and oh, it's a good catch from Rohit. 2 balls, 2 wicket from Kings. Sanket Paulji, it's a good comeback from Kings. दोनों गेंद बहुत अच्छा है. आई थिंक द रोहित ने बहुत बढ़िया कैच किया है. आई थिंक पिछले इनिंग्स में उसको लस्सी नहीं पिलाया, इस बार उसको लस्सी पिलाया कि बहुत अच्छा कैच किया उन्होंने. आई थिंक वॉरियर्स को ये कैच देखना चाहिए, उससे सीखना चाहिए कि मतलब रोहित ने कैसे कैच पकड़ा. Mr. Akshay Kurana from Heroes to Sanket Paulji.
बाला अक्षय खुराना और सबसे पुराना.
सबसे पुराना. And another good delivery from Sanket and it's towards the mid wicket and it's single. And it's a good fielding by Nitin Sawan. Correct na? नहीं है? Nitin Sawan, correct na? Good. I think it's a good comeback over for Kings. So far it's a good line and length maintained by Sanket Paulji and he got 2 wickets so far in this over. To Sanket to Sudhir. It's a switch hit and it's a 4.
It's a 4.
It's a Sudhir switch hit shot from Sudhir and it's what do you say? It's a Sudhir's special. Sudhir special. I think Sanket ने so far अच्छा bowling किया. I think last ball towards the offside off stump. I think Sudhir ने उसको switch hit मारा towards the square and it's a 4 run. Over होने के बाद बताऊंगा. It's a full toss and
Good
towards
shot
the
by
mid wicket and it's a good fielding.
Aragya.
It's good fielding by Haragya. It's over. 27 in 2 overs for Kings. Sorry, Heroes. Atul, I can understand your enthusiasm. Please hold. किंग्स वाले जल्दी करो, खत्म करो जल्दी ओवर.
आशीष
कौन? ये मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है आशीष को. संतोष तीसरा ओवर लेके आ रहे किंग्स के लिए.
आशीष राज पाटील ने तुझ्यासाठी एक बक्षीस पाठवलंय. राज पाटील तुम्हाला एक रिक्वेस्ट आहे, प्लीज इकडे या आणि ते बक्षीस आशीषला द्या.
It's a good shot towards the mid wicket and it's a good running between the wickets.
Good
it's
running
2 runs.
between
Good
the
running by Akshay Kurana. Akshay can play throughout the nets for the whole day without losing his wickets. He has such of stamina. But running between the wickets is very difficult. Good single. Good quick single by Akshay Kurana. Good call. संतोष का अगला गेंद अक्षय खुराना. There is a fielding change from King's side. I think mid wicket coming inside the circle. The next ball from Santosh to Akshay. And it's a low full toss and it's over the long on and it's single. Good throw.
Good shot by Akshay
Good
Khurana.
throw by Aragya. The next ball. Santosh to Sudhir. Behind the mid down is going on to long on. There is a change in fielding. There is a long on, long off, extra cover. And it's a full toss and towards the mid wicket and it's... I
What
think it's such a good fielding.
Fielding effort. Good fielding
I think it's a
effort,
good
Aragya.
fielding. Aragya, I think he's like become an E-man today.
Bala, again, he is debutant.
Yes, he's the Spider-Man. I think it's a flying man. You can say whatever, jaunty, flying jaunty. I think flying jaunty of Kings. I think it's stopped. It's a good stop. It was a full toss. And there is a cow. The wicket. Oh, it's a good catch. It's a cotton ball, Santosh. Last ball, 33 runs. Last ball, 33 runs. It's a cotton ball, Santosh. Sukumol Datta is a mentor of heroes. Heroes, please cheer up for mentor Sukumol Datta. Come on, everyone. The last ball, one ball, Chuku. There is a change in fielding position. I think the mid wicket is coming to a long on. Long on, long off, cover, extra cover. And the last ball and towards over the bowler head and it's good fielding by Aragya again. I think there is a good fielding side for Kings. Very good, Viraj. I think you picked the players rightfully. आई थिंक दैट पिछली मैच का जो एक्सपीरियंस है अभी विराज ने बहुत अच्छा स्ट्रैटेजी बनाया. फील्डर्स ने बहुत अच्छे फील्डिंग कर रहे हैं. 34 रन्स हो गया 3 ओवर्स में. द नेक्स्ट बॉलर इज आशीष कदम. ये अपना दूसरा ओवर लेके आ रहे हैं. सुकुमल दत्ता द स्ट्राइक. नॉन स्ट्राइकर पे अक्षय खुराना. आई थिंक इज वेटिंग फॉर हिज टर्न. As I mentioned, Jatin, so Akshay can play the whole day in the nets. I am surprised to see how he is running between the wickets. Wow, it's a good ball. That is the appeal from the bowler and the wicket keeper for the card behind. So that is umpire denied. I think it's a caught behind. It's an appeal from the bowler and the wicket keeper. Mr. Balakrishna, Telangana is. Another ball flick toward the mid wicket and it's a single from Sukumal Datta.
Thank you so much. Commentary में परिवर्तन का समय आ चुका है. ये ना ये जो छोटा सिक्स ही था मैं पहले इधर से टेंशन मेरे को आ गया मेरे को टेंशन आ गया ना मैं जब जैसा आएगा पहिला त्याला काय दिलं नाही जेवायसाठी आलाय का दे दुकान दे पुढे
रुपेश मोळवाळे. रुपेश
सॉरी यस देयर इज अ लॉट फॉर लंच. हां सब कुछ वेज सबको वेज किधर तू उधर बैठा ना.
हेलो. अक्षय विकेट गया क्या अक्षय का?
अक्षय आउट हो गया।
आउट हो गया कैसे यार? मैंने बोल्ड हो गया। अच्छा क्या यार अक्षय, मैंने आपका विकेट नहीं देख पाया। चलो मैं रिप्ले देख लूंगा।
जतिन नेक्स्ट बैट्समैन कौन है?
पीयूष चावला।
36 रन हो गया। लास्ट बॉल है 1 to go।
1 to go, 36 रन। हीरोज
2 ही रन दिया इस ओवर में।
ये ओवर में अभी तक आशीष ने 2 ही रन दिए। बहुत अच्छा बॉलिंग है इस ओवर में। अपना मेन लेंथन कैसे कैच इट? कौन बोला कैच इट?
कैच के
काफी
आशीष।
काफी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक थे कि ये कैच हो सकता है,
सकता
बट सुकुमल का शॉट काफी अच्छा था मिड ऑन की तरफ, और एक रन भाग के अब स्कोर हो चुका है 37 रन।
सुकुमल का शॉट अच्छा था, आशीष का बॉलिंग अच्छा था, लेकिन अपना क्या नाम है आराग्या, लेकिन ही इज नॉट अ फ्लाइंग रॉड्स, सो ही कैन नॉट एबल टू फ्लाई दैट मच टू कैच दिस.
एब्सोल्युटली.
So, but the last one, Sonu, it was a really a fantastic one, the one which is stopped the four. I think it's-
दैट वाज अ फैंटास्टिक एफर्ट. आई थिंक अगर वो कैच हो जाता ना, वो कैच ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट हम डिक्लेयर कर सकते थे. इतना बेहतरीन कैच का एफर्ट था.
Yes,
बट क्रिकेट इज अ गेम ऑफ एफर्ट,
yes.
and you never know, those 3 runs can change the course of
The match,
the match.
right? Absolutely well said, Sonu.
जुनेद की पहली गेंद वाइड से शुरुआत करी है उन्होंने.
Outside the off stump, and it's a wide.
सुकुमल स्ट्राइक पे. जुनेद की अगली गेंद, और ये बहुत ही जोर से बल्ला घुमा दिया है विराज बॉल के नीचे, और ये बॉल पॉप होते हुए,
Hey,
ओहो.
another miss from Kings.
विराज, मैं आपकी फीलिंग समझ सकता हूं क्योंकि मैंने भी ऐसा एक बॉल ड्रॉप किया था. तो आई कैन कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या चलता है जब बॉल हवे में होती है और बालाजी जैसे लोग पीछे कमेंट्री कर रहे हैं, तो इट एड्स मोर प्रेशर.
Pressure. Absolutely, Sonu. We are here to create a pressure. Otherwise, they don't perform. It's a बढ़िया shot for Sukumal and the good fielding by Aragya and good throw.
और ये एक और रन चुरा लिया है. कोशिश करी थी पहले अटेम्प्ट में,
And दूसरे
लेकिन
विकेट में
दूसरे अटेम्प्ट में उन्होंने जरूर स्टंप्स उखाड़ दिए हैं. सुकुमल नहीं भाग पाए, क्रीज कवर नहीं कर पाए और रन आउट हो गया.
it's a run out.
आई थिंक बालाजी आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी बिल्कुल सेट है. प्रेशर नहीं डालेंगे तो परफॉर्म नहीं करेंगे. आई थिंक ये टूर्नामेंट की स्ट्रैटेजी इज वेरी क्लियर.
Yes. Create pressures, perform well. I think आराग्या ने बहुत अच्छा फील्डिंग किया, बहुत अच्छा थ्रो था उसका. जुनोद ने मतलब जानबूझ के स्ट्रैटेजी में वो रन छोड़ा था बॉल को, तभी तो प्लेयर्स को दूसरे रन भागने का मौका मिलेगा, को रन आउट का पॉसिबिलिटी है उधर वहां पे.
अगले बैट्समैन जो स्ट्राइक पे हैं, उनका नाम
Darius
डेरिस.
from Kerala. He is from Vishnu's Gaon.
जुनेद की अगली गेंद डेरिस को, और ये बिल्कुल स्टंप पे थी
Bilkul
बॉल.
straight and towards the long on, and it's a six. It's a good shot. ने मतलब बॉल के पीछे आना था.
चौका.
चौका. It's a
फील्डिंग में परिवर्तन करते हुए
2 balls, 10 runs from Darius. I think it's a good strike from Darius. Next ball from Junaid to Darius. And towards the... It's another 6. It's a 4. I think it's another good shot from over the fine leg. And it's a 4.
इट्स अ 4. और नितिन को 2 मिनट पहले ही पीछे भेजा था, बट आई गेस जुनेद जो है जुनेद जो है वो जल्दी बॉल डाल दिए क्योंकि नितिन बाउंड्री लाइन तक पहुंचे नहीं थे और बॉल काफी अंदर ही टप्पा खा के चौका चला गया।
गया था।
अगर वो शायद बाउंड्री लाइन पे होते तो ये कैच हो
Catch
सकता
हो
था।
सकता था। I think it's another debutant for SPL, Darius. I think it's a new player, and it's a performance, and it's a low
एक
full
और-
toss towards the mid on, and it's single.
आरएके की फील्डिंग जो है वो बेहतरीन है। जिस तरीके से वो फील्डिंग कर रहे हैं, बॉल रोक रहे हैं, तारीफ करनी होगी उन्हें।
Yes.
5 ओवर के बाद रन
56. 5 wicket. I think last over of the innings, and it's a batting power play. The last over batting power play. I think Sonu. I think in the batting power play there are 3 fielders can be outside the circle. It's a good strategy, and the last over and the players are in good strike. It's a good thought. I think Darius in good form, and it's a debutant from Heroes. So far Darius कितने बॉल पे कितना मारा? 3 बॉल डाला ना उसने, 4 बॉल में 15 रन मारा उसने। डैरिस ने अभी तक 4 गेंद में 15 रन मारे। आई थिंक बढ़िया स्ट्राइक रेट है उसका। बॉलर का नेम है, अच्छा ओके। पानी गिरा। अभिषेक, आशीष सिंह, he is a football player. Ashish, please ensure we are playing cricket here, okay? Not a football. He's a goalkeeper, he's a striker, so, and on his in his hand is a very small ball. It's a tennis ball now. I think yes, good shot from Darius and over the long on, and again it's a 6. नाम ही नहीं था। वो तो मेंटर था, छोड़ दे उसको। Another shot over the long off, and it's a save. 4. Another full toss, and it's a no ball, and that's a free hit. It's a no ball free hit. पीयूष चावला चाहते थे कि मतलब वो भी रन मारे, इसके लिए जानबूझकर उन्होंने रन लिया ये। नहीं तो डैरिस ने अच्छे स्ट्राइक पे खेल रहे थे, उनको स्ट्राइक मिलना चाहिए था। देखते हैं कि पीयूष ने क्या करते हैं ये बॉल में। सिंगल स्ट्राइक दे दिया उन्होंने, बहुत अच्छा। इंटेलिजेंट बैटिंग फ्रॉम पीयूष, he rotate the strike. Darius at strike now. 69. 69, and next game from Ashish to Darius. It's outside the off stump, and it's a wide by umpire. 70. 70 run from Heroes. Highest 76 है क्या? Highest score for this tournament so far is 76. Let's see, Darius, and it's straight towards over the bowler, and it's a 4.
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ
74 रन so far हीरोज का, 2 बॉल बाकी है. Ashish Tuz. There is, and it's towards the long off, and it's a catch out. Good catch by Ashish. ये आशीष का फ्रस्ट्रेशन पता चल रहा है कि मतलब कितना अच्छा कैच था ये. 9
कुड़ी
ball,
उत्ते टंगी
29
रख
runs. लास्ट बॉल ऑफ द इनिंग 74. अभी भी हाईएस्ट स्कोर हो सकता है. लास्ट बॉल फ्रॉम आशीष सिंह. कौन गया? Same highest score 76 from Heroes. 6 overs 76. It's a good batting performance by Heroes.
दियो दिल लगी कुड़ी दिल लगी कुड़ी गुजरात दियो दिल लगी कुड़ी गुजरात दी
आई थिंक ये बहुत अच्छा मतलब ये तो लो फुल टच था. आई थिंक नितिन ने अपना टाइमिंग मिस की है. आई थिंक इट्स गॉन टुवर्ड्स द फाइन लेग टू सुकुमल पीयूष मिश्रा. अपने मतलब तीसरी अटेम्प्ट पे ये कैच को पूरा किया पीयूष मिश्रा ने. तो ईरस का पहला मतलब विकेट. ये माइक दे देना. तो कर रहा है कच्चा कर रहा है वो कर रहा है.
Hello.
दे देना भैया को दे दे.
You want to learn how to do it?
I think first over, first one wicket for Atul.
Show him how to do it. Show him how to do it.
Atul is the left-arm slow spinner.
All right, replacing the new replacing batsman is Ashish Kadam.
The captain? No, it's
No,
not
the
captain.
icon
It's
player.
the icon player for Kings. Viraj is the captain. Sorry, my bad. अतुल अपना गेंद लेके आ रहे हैं कि आशीष कदम को. किंग्स का आइकॉनिक प्लेयर. एंड दैट्स अ शॉट. And it's a short ball.
Cheeky shot by Ashish Kadam.
उन्होंने
Taking a single. Rotating the strike.
अपने थर्ड मन के ऊपर कट किए हैं and taken a single. रन कितना हुआ? 2 रन.
2 runs.
2 runs. बॉल पता नहीं. Next ball from Atul towards Balakrishna and towards the fine leg, and it's a
Balakrishna
good
plays it
feeling
fine. Good stop.
and good stop by Piyush
Good stop by Piyush. Well done,
and the
Piyush.
single taken.
Bro, इसको ना इसके ये वाला हाथ है ना इसके नीचे रख.
हाँ ऐसे रखना था.
हाँ, ये बटन यहाँ पे है. Okay, so you have to first press it very lightly. It will focus on what you're focusing on. You like what you focus? Press it a little more harder. It will click the picture for you. You'll hear a shutter sound. Okay.
Beautiful
Good
shot. And that's a boundary. Well played.
It's a 4. It's a 4 to
We're requesting other players to spread out in case to help us chase the balls so we can save time.
टूवर्ड्स कौन अपना इधर भी जा सकता ना. अरे तू उधर खड़े रहना उधर. नवनाथ टूवर्ड्स कवर पे चले जाना. कवर एक्स्ट्रा कवर. The next bowler is Rohit. Now the power play is over. So you can have more players outside the circle. It's a Rohit to Balkrishna.
All right, Rohit to Balakrishna. Interesting over.
I think it's a good line and
There
length.
was a good line in length. In swing made it difficult for the batsman to cut.
I think it's edge. I think there is a possibility of
There was a top edge.
Top
there
edge.
could have been a catch.
it could have been a catch, right?
But unfortunately, it wasn't caught by Sudhir and they made a run out of it.
Yeah, I think it's,
Ashish Kadam to face Rohit.
the next ball to Rohit. And it's a low full
And some
toss.
shot! Will it fall safe? It falls safe! Good cover by the fielder and 2 runs.
Good running between the wickets.
DJ, Toko.
You can play in between.
You
no
can
problem.
place in between.
Acha, okay.
Here comes Rohit. Cheeky cut. It's very hard to hit Rohit
Cheeky
Well
cut
done.
towards.
Sorry?
Cheeky cut towards the point.
towards point.
And it's a 1 single.
Bala, it's been very difficult to hit Rohit in this over. Let's see. We have 3 more balls to go.
Rohit is a very experienced player. Maybe for SPL he's a debutant, but he is a very experienced player. He play a lot of.
That's a beautiful shot. Will it be a catch?
Wow,
It's
a
caught.
catch! Fire leg from Ashish Kadam. It's the last ball of the Rohit and he's played over this fine leg and is 6.
He's not reading the room.
चाय वगैरह है क्या रे कुछ उपवास वाला हूँ मैं उसके लिए चाय पीता हूँ
Oh, you're fasting? Why?
शंकर श्रीनिवास
करण इधर रखल बॉक्स रखल इधर अच्छा हमने वेज कर अच्छा हमने वेज कर एक फर्क नहीं पड़ता मेरे को मेरे से
The next bowler is Sukumal Datta. The strike पर है रोहित सिंह from Punjab.
All right.
कोलकाता क्यों उनके ससुराल है क्या कलकत्ता में
That goes up. There's a fielder coming under it, and
It's Akshay
it's
Khurana.
dropped by Mr. Khurana. Oh.
We thought Akshay Khurana is a QC never misses, but this kind of a catch is always misses. There is a discussion between the umpires. We don't know what happened. Che player bar. We don't know what was the discussion. So let's wait for the umpire
किधर थी तू
signal.
इतना देर वर्किंग लंच है अपना
Umpire, is everything is okay? Heroes, जल्दी करो. Umpire, done? Okay.
ये तो मेरा ही रिंगटोन है
एक ही. One run ना umpire? One run. Okay. Come on, Sukumal to Ashish. The next ball. Towards the off
Beautiful
stump
shot.
and it's towards the mid.
And
And it's a square leg and it's a 4.
four. Well played.
फिर उसने मतलब थोड़ा सा बैकफुट किया and it's played over the fine leg, square leg.
5 we need to end by 5
And it's a late cut towards the third man and it's a single from Ashish. It's a good comeback from Sukumal. अपनी लाइन एंड लेंथ को बरकरार रखा. मिस्टर फैजान खान.
सुशील अरे गुरवी
कौन? The next ball from Sukumal to Rohit Singh and it's a full toss and towards the fine leg and it's a single. And there is a misfield and there is a 2. It's a good running between the wickets by the Rohit and Ashish. 2 runs from Kings. Another good ball, good line and length. It's outside off stump. It's a good line and length delivery by Sukumal Datta. The last ball of the over. 26 run.
अटैचमेंट गलत भेज रही है किसका अटैचमेंट किसको भेज रही है
बहुत अच्छा बॉलिंग है किंग्स के लिए.
Top edge.
And again it's a top edge and it's
Oh, it's dropped. Another attempt. Will they take that run? Okay, Ashish has to really. Waiting for the umpire's decision.
It's everything is happening here. It's a misfield. There is a catch drop. There is a run out miss. Wow.
Everything in one ball itself.
Who are you, man?
Retired player Faizan is here.
It's over. It's the end of over.
That's what she said.
What's the score? 28 for 2. 49 runs to win.
How many balls?
49 runs to win for in 3 overs.
49 and 18.
वही ना 49 runs they need ना.
18 balls, na?
49 in 18 balls.
हाँ
49 runs more needed in 18 balls.
अपना मैच नहीं है उनका है लेडीज का
टाइम है ना टाइम है ना कमेंट्री करके बेचारा करने दे यार कोई नहीं कर रहा तू आ रहा है कमेंट्री करने आई नो हम लोग को भी खेलने चाहिए मांगना पड़ता है सब कुछ
हीरोज जल्दी करो यार किंग्स दोनों खेल रहे हो ना फिर पीयूष द बॉलर
ऑलराइट इंटरेस्टिंग
मिस्टर आशीष पटेल
49 of 18
सबको पानी
balls.
पिला रहा है तो हमको भी पिलाओ कभी नहीं चाहिए लेकिन ऐसे बोला मैंने अभी outside off stump and towards the mid wicket and is a possibility of catch. Oi, 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 oi.
I think that players injured. Could
Players
somebody
is
please
get
check
injured
on
and
him?
it's a 4 run towards
Can
the
you
mid wicket
check
and good
on that
shot by
player?
Ashish. एक catch हो सकता था लेकिन
Khurana, Mr. Khurana, what's the player's name?
I hope the players is safe.
Does he need physio attention?
Physio, can you please look into a player, please? Physio.
Okay, he's fine. All right, good start to the over. First ball, 4. 17 more balls to go.
बहुत मारा रे डैरिस
45 चाहिए ना अभी?
अरे हाँ
45 or 17.
गेम के लिए वो दिया था ना तेरे को
Beautiful shot.
and what was
Will
the
this be
extra
stopped
cover?
or will it has crossed the boundary? Another 4. So 41 more needed of 16 balls now.
Yes, it's a good batting from Ashish Khatam.
And it's a beautiful batting pitch, so it is achievable.
And
Beautiful
it's a low
shot!
footer and towards the
And he's dropped
Oh,
it and it's going!
and it's
Oh,
a
it's four!
क्या? You want? बनाना चाहिए
I think they're still looking for the ball. They found it. All right.
अरे वहां पे एक जाओ यार एक उधर वहां पे फाइन लेग में रिक्वेस्ट वन प्लेयर टू बी देयर ओवर देयर कौन कौन
There is somebody over the wall over there talking on the phone. I think
Sujit.
it's Sujit.
सुजीत
He's doing recruitment
आप
from
थोड़ा सा
there.
नीचे आके बात करेंगे क्या उधर ग्राउंड फाइन लेग पे
All right, guys. This is the 5th ball. 4-4 so far. Let's see what happens. Cut! Goes to the infield.
It's a
Will this
towards
go
striker
to the...
and it's a four ball
Another
and it's a four!
29 That is a what a sensational over here. Literally, the score has now come down to half. 25 needed of 12 balls. 25.
I think ये achievable है.
Will they carry this momentum ahead? The next 2 overs are very, very important.
This over will decide.
This
the
will
course of
decide.
the match.
Will they take the batting power play?
I don't think so. It depends on the
I
bowler.
think they've already created the momentum. They should have taken the batting power play and made it even more harder for the bowling team. But I guess they will be taking the batting power play in the last over.
I think they have the main bowler. Their one more over is still pending. So I think they'll wait for who is the bowler and they'll decide. I think
Atul has been brought back for his second over in this inning.
Yes, is his second spell. So let's
And-
see how we bowl.
And we have Rohit on the other end.
Who is Rohit?
Is Rohit, right?
Rohit, yes, sorry.
All right. Rohit has to now match the momentum that Ashish Kadam has now created.
43. Ashish ka score 13 balls में 43 runs. I think it's like similar like Darius. It's a good
13 balls.
1-3. 13. It's
Dot ball, a rare dot ball after being hit for
Continuous
6
score.
fours in an over.
a good delivery, slow delivery from
25 of
Atul.
11, 25 of 11. Oh no! 2 dot balls. The pressure building on the batting team now. Oh God, that is 3 dot deliveries. What a comeback from this team. Jatin is predicting that this over will be a maiden over. That's a wide. 24 of 9 deliveries. Bala, is that right? 24. Oh, another dot. All right. Rohit has retired. They are sending in a new batsman. All right, Rohit has retired, and replacing Rohit right now is the captain himself, Viraj.
अरे ब्रो संभाल ऐसे मत कर बहुत महंगा है वो now you see why I don't give it to him नहीं you're putting it wrong it's in the wrong it is here and it is there
Another dot? Hey, कितना बॉल हुआ उसका 5 dot 5 dot deliveries what a comeback
चले एक पॉइंट चलेगा पागल 5 डॉट you wasted 5 opportunities बैट चेंज
वो वैसे ही इतना ऊपर से स्लो मार रहा है तो फिर पूरा बैक पे जाओ
क्या हुआ?
मतलब
Was that
ऐसे
out?
उठ के फिर मत मारना चाहिए
stumping okay Viraj decided to go
बैट्समैन का नाम क्या है अच्छा विकास है क्या
Viraj decided to go for it unfortunately couldn't do it
एक बग थोड़ा फिक्स करना है यार, आ जाओ जल्दी.
Brings Vikas to face the final delivery by Atul. So far, only one run has been scored in this over. Here goes Atul for his final delivery. Beautiful shot, and that's going to be a six. Yes!
तुमसे मिलके दिल का
All right, who's going to bowl the final over? The ball is
अरे जल्दी करो हीरोज.
बहुत टाइम लगेगा फिर. All right, power play. Final over. This is the batting power play. Only 3 players allowed outside the circle. Yeah, I can see 4. Bala, 4 players outside. कौन है? और ये 1 2 3 4. All right, guys. This is the over, the make and break over. 6 balls, 18 runs. Previous over, Ashish hit all the 6 balls for boundaries. Can he do this again? Can Ashish reproduce that magic in this over? For bowling the final over, we have Sudhir, the captain of the team, bowling to the icon player of the opposite team. Here we go. Dot ball. First ball is a dot ball. 5 balls remaining. 18 more runs to go. Beautiful shot. What will this be? It's coming back for the second. 16 needed from 4 balls. Very gettable. This is a batting pitch. Very gettable. Let's see what Ashish does. But can Sudhir restrict Ashish? Sudhir coming in for his second ball. Beautiful shots. Play straight.
And it's a
And
six.
that's a 6.
And it's Ashish, 51 runs for Ashish. Come on everyone, half century for Ashish. Come on.
Ashish scores 50. The first half century.
First half century.
Balls remaining. 10 more runs to go.
And the first half century of this tournament by Ashish Khanna, 51 runs so far. It's a
We
good,
have already
great knock
acknowledged
by-
Ashish's half century, the first half century of this edition. Here we go. Beautiful shot.
And it's a
And another 6. ये कितना 2 बॉल बचा ना? Remaining 4 runs, 1 hit away. Can Ashish do it? Can he do it for Heroes? Oh, that's a dot ball. Oh, this comes down to this final ball, ladies and gentlemen. Final ball, they need 4 runs. 3 runs to tie. Very unlikely. Here comes the final delivery. Oh no! Oh no! Oh my God! It's happening. Everything's happening over
I
here.
think it's a
When I just said it's not likely
match
for it
of
to
the
become
day.
a tie.
It's a match of the day. It's a tie. I think it's
It is
wonderful
a
from
tie. We
both
are
the
waiting
sides.
for the umpires to tell us if this is a tie.
नहीं.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us give us a round of sound for both these teams. They both need to be welcomed off the field.
Umpire 3 run.
DJ, make some noise for us.
It's a tie. Make some noise. Come on, DJ.
DJ, make some noise.
Point shared. I think both the team will share the points. 1 point shared.